Hello, fifth grade. So excited that I think I'm going to get to see you tomorrow. It's Monday for me, so I'm confused, but whatever. That we'll get to see you on Wednesday. So here's how this is all going to play out. Today, you will check Simple Solutions 91 and 92. You'll do 93, and we will check it in person on Wednesday. You'll check part of the test study guide today, D and E. Then tonight for homework, you'll do F and G. And when you come in on Wednesday, I will expect you to have Simple Solutions 93 finished, ready to check it. And I will expect you to have the test study guide finished, ready to check it. We will probably go and make the Simple Solutions quiz study guide. Even though the Simple Solutions quiz won't be till Friday, the test will be Thursday. So it'll be a packed day. I need you to have done what you need to have done when you come into my class on Wednesday. So, like I said, you should have, your homework for Monday night was to have done D and E. So now let's check D and E. Let me flip you. We had gone over the definitions yesterday. For that torrid means scorching, that temperate is a climate zone. That's a typo. Climate zone that is neither too hot nor too cold. Climate is weather conditions of a region over a period of years. Weather conditions such as temperate and precipitation, which change from day to day. Precipitation is the amount of rain, snow, sleet, etc. that an area receives. Those 5 are short answer. Then that one is a modified true-false. All of the work in Sparta was done by the Helots. The Greeks borrowed the alphabet from the Phoenicians. A bard is any singing poet. In ancient times, Greece was made up of independent city-states. The word that comes from 2 words meaning people and rule is democracy. I think all of these are modified true-false that we're going over right now. A large group of foot soldiers armed with shields and spears and trained to move together. That's a phalanx. C1, body of water that cuts Greece almost in half. Gulf of Corinth. Peninsula that Greece is located on. That is the Balkan Peninsula. And now we are on D1. D1. The blind bard who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey. That is Homer. D2. The writer of the famous fables, Aesop. D3. Philosopher concerned with the question, what is the best way to live? That is Socrates. D5. Father of Alexander II, Philip II. D6. Greek god honored by the Olympics, Zeus. He was supposed to be the head god. So they would honor him with the Olympics. E. Said to do all of E. This is exactly like what was on your quiz. This time, though, it's going to be a multiple choice. It's going to be the first 5 multiple choice questions. E1, Acropolis. The Acropolis is... religious center of the city. I kept overlooking it. Religious center of the city. E2. Agora. That is the marketplace. E3. Theater. That one some of you struggled with on the quiz, but the theater is usually the largest gathering place in the Greek city-state. Because it would hold, the theater would hold a whole bunch of people at one time. So you'd have a whole bunch of people coming to watch a play at one time, making it the largest gathering place. E4, gymnasium. The place where men practiced sports. And then stadium, E5. The stadium is a long racing track. So like I said, tomorrow when you come in, I'll expect you to have Simple Solutions 93 done, ready to check it. I'll expect you to have the rest of the test study guide done, ready to check it. The test will be Thursday. Also, remember on the test, you'll have to know the climate zones. That at the top is the frigid, then you have the temperate, then you have the torrid, then you have the temperate, then you have the frigid. Just like you had on your last quiz. So I will really see you in person tomorrow. Have a great night.